Our You Decide 2024 team coverage with a first in state history last night as well. Oklahomans voted not to retain a state justice up for retention.
We first told you during last night's election coverage, 3 of the 4 state Supreme Court justices were voted up for retention, while Yvonne Calgar was not, with a little more than 50% of voters saying no on their ballots yesterday.
Fox 23's Devin Lyon joins us live with what this historical result means for the state.
Now, this vote has massive impact for the judicial system, which interprets the law for us. And over the next few weeks, the process will start for Governor Kevin Stitt to appoint a new justice. It will be his second since first taking office.
These justices reflect policies and politics from decades ago when our state was run by liberal Democrats.
Governor Stitt was one of several Republicans pushing people to vote no on retaining 3 state Supreme Court justices in Tuesday's election. Now, he will have the task of replacing one of them. You may have also seen some of the commercials for or against the justices pushing Oklahomans to vote yes or no.
Vote no to remove Kamala Harris liberals Yvonne Calgar, James Edmondson, and Noma Gurich from our Oklahoma Supreme Court.
3 of the 5 justices on voters' ballots have been appointed by Democratic governors in Oklahoma. Yvonne Calgar, the ousted judge, had been appointed by Governor George Nye back in 1984. Not only was she the first justice to ever be ousted by Oklahoma voters, but it was the first time in over a decade any judge had under 58% of voters saying yes for retention. The 2 who will remain in office are Noma Gurich, who had only 50.3% of votes saying yes, and James Edmondson, who had 51% of votes. Now, the Judicial Nominating Commission will begin an application process through December. After Calgar finishes her term on January 13th, the JNC will send the names of 3 nominees to the desk of Governor Kevin Stitt. This will be the second state Supreme Court justice Stitt has appointed after selecting M. John Kane IV in 2019. The governor's office sent us this statement after Tuesday's election results. Quote, "This is a historic day. Voters made it clear they are tired of activist judges on our Supreme Court who don't share our Oklahoma values. It's time for fresh eyes on the court." Now, I did get a chance to speak to both a Republican and a Democrat state lawmaker on this issue. I'll bring you their response on Fox 23 News at 6. Live in studio, covering news that matters. Devin Lyon, Fox 23 News.